And of course, he got these wires that, oh my god, guys, I saw this a lot in the basement. I saw this in the basement, this wire, like 5 of them.
They're different.
Oh my god, it's burning. It's burning, guys. Good morning, guys. Good morning, Rox. Good morning, Rox. Good morning, Roxy Rox. And no, your mouth, your face, not in the table. Look. You're behind me. Oh, really, Roxy? Is that what you're doing, Roxy? What are you doing? What are you doing, Roxy Rox? Say good morning. Say good morning, Roxy. Say good morning. Say good morning. Good morning, friends. Good morning, friendes. She's been making noises. I don't know why she's making noises. She's like a and then she's like looking at me. I think she wanna go outside. She wanna go outside. It doesn't mean you have to lick everything. No, Roxy. No, baby, no. No. Okay? Did you understand what I said? When I said no, you have to stop, huh? You have to stop. Stop it when I say no. You're such cute little one. I don't understand what you want, but I don't know what you want. Can you tell Mama what you want? Can you tell me what you want? Maybe do you want some bones? Do you want bones? I gave you bones last night. Later, give. I need to give them the medicine. No. I'm gonna give a cat also. Hold on. If this is this for the cat? It doesn't see if it's for the cat. Both of them. This is the dog front line. This is for the cat. Picture with the cats. This is what it looks like, guys. Front line. No, she knows. She ran away. Good girl, Misty. Sit down. What a good girl, Misty. What good girl is Misty, okay? Good girl. I have to sing that you'll stay. Good girl. Girl. Stay. What a good girl, Misty. Misty is a good girl. Yay! Misty, good girl. Yay! Yeah. What a good girl. What a good girl. Misty is a good girl. Misty's a really good puppy. Roxy, come out here.
Sure, she's hiding under the table.
Come here, baby. This is for your own good.
She's not hiding good enough.
This is for my little baby girl. Good. Yes, you're such a good girl. You're such a good girl. You go girl. You're such a good girl. Go. Yeah, it's done. Done. That's it. Hi, Dimple's already down there. What a good girl, Dimple. Come here, you come over here. Come here, look, Hansi, come over here. Come here, good. No rolling. This is for your own good. Okay, Mama has to find your skin to put this, okay? Okay, good girl. Good girl, baby. Yay. No, come here, Roxy. No, but you join, touch. Well, your brother's hiding. Hobbs is hiding. No, he's not hiding. He's somewhere. Your brother's somewhere. Okay, let's go get something for your brother. Okay? Let's see. Hobbs! This is a clearance section here. What is this? Battery pack for what?
I don't know. What is that?
You have different kind of stuff here. I'm looking for SD card, guys, because mine, it's done. It's dying like crazy. I don't have it. Oh, this is a good Bluetooth headset. What is this? They don't have it. Maybe it's right here. I have to look. Maybe they have it here. Oh my god. There's Apple product here. Let's see what they have. Nice. I'm gonna look first if they have a nice. It's so good. Han, put your head down. Han. I remember it.
Scotch.
I remember it. Every time we go into this store, and then we go under, how do you call this one? Garage? No?
In the garage.
In the garage, because it's very low, kind of like very close to the roof in the car. Anyway, so one time my husband do like this, guys. When he drove like this, oh, he put his head down. He thought it's gonna.
It's like an automatic reaction.
And I have to do that, Han, because guys, every time I put my foot in the thing, the car over here, he said, "Oh, that wrinkle of
One time. One.
No.
One time. Every time. One time. One.
No, but it
One.
reminds me now, so that's
I
me
don't
all the
care.
time
Don't say I do
now.
it every time. One time I said.
So we get out, and of course, we should get one thing, but one thing is like 100. My husband can resist. If you bring Tommy to the store that carries wires, electronics, whatever electronic is that, tools, he will be carrying 2 carts. Look, he got 2 hard drives.
One is for the.
One is for the other, for his work, for the one they will pay for that, and for him the other one, because he said his other one is full. How that is full? That he's not making any videos to save all that in the external. This is not hard drive, it's external hard drive. I have one. I have that for a long time, 2 years ago, and then it's still good. And of course, he got these wires that, oh my god, guys, I saw this a lot in the basement. This wire, like 5 of them.
They're different.
Look,
That's different.
this is a mini display port. Yeah, you have this.
To VGA.
Yeah. And this one, he
That's
had a lot of
that's
this
micro
too.
HDMI to HDMI.
$16 for this wire, guys.
What's the price?
A micro HDMI AV cable. You get that. And he get the, I don't know what is this. This is on sale, but sale it's like $16, and this is $4.
$4.
This is $4.
That's cheap.
These wires, I know. That's why I don't bitch. And of course, I got also. He's not the only one got, but I need it. You know it, guys. I told you. It's a micro. You know how many gig is this, guys? It's crazy. 128 gig. It's a big.
Well, that's the biggest one they had. You
Yeah.
can get 256, but I didn't see them.
And the price of this is 35 something. $35. And the $36 is kind of cheap. It's like $8-9. And this one is 128. It costs $35. So yeah, that's really it, guys. That's it. And oh my god, you guys, do you have to beep? Because
Come on, you. Just stand there. You
oh my god. Oh
Let's go
shit.
all the way across. Maybe steak for dinner.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking too. I thought I'm gonna do it. I was thinking yesterday that we're gonna have steak in Monday night, but you know, we went to my sister-in-law's house and we're really having fun. Last night I wasn't vlogging on the way back here because I was
I
driving.
may throw some chicken out too.
Is to go over here, honey. It's always traffic over there.
Chicken too to make take apart.
Yeah, I would probably do that. I really love your chicken, hon. He made some chicken. It's crazy good. I love it. We're on on the way home, and I need to eat something, and then I'm gonna back to driving. Did you get the receipt? You need to keep this receipt, right? Huh?
I just put it on the bill. He doesn't question it.
Oh, really?
I don't know which charge him. I charge him while I pay for it. That's it.
We just got home. I was driving, practicing again. You're not allowed. Do they have this? And then I was hungry. Oh my god, it's burning.
Yeah.
It's burning, guys.
But you know, the thing is nothing for her. She's not going to be happy until she actually sends him the money and does it. You know, and I just look at the bill.
Every time he come here and do something, guys, in a barbecue, it's always, oh my god, it's burning. Hey, Roxy! Roxy! Hi. Hi, baby. Hi, baby. Hi, baby. Come, jump. Jump, they're afraid to jump. Jump in. Jump in. I'm not going in, look. I'm not going in. I'm not going in. Yeah. No, get down. You can't. Get down. Roxy, down. Down. Hi guys, I would like to end this vlog. I've been really bad with this, guys. I've been really bad closing my video. But I'm in bed right now and I'm planning to upload this video tonight for tomorrow. Today is Saturday, so tomorrow is Sunday, so I'm planning to upload this for tomorrow's video. And anyway guys, I just want to end this vlog, and yeah, so nothing really going on much this vlog, but you know, I'm with my husband, so I upload it. Shout out to Mile G. Hi Mile G. Mile G. I don't know, I forgot where you from. I know you're a Bisaya girl. Denmark? Oh, you're in Germany. You're in Germany. And thank you for watching my vlog. And if you haven't subscribed my vlog, please do. And I really appreciate it. Malibat nako dere. Anyway guys, bye. Good night guys. Bye.